Okay, now we have the auto relight burner again. If you hit this guy right here.
This one?
Yeah, it's not focusing. And now blow it out and it'll relight.
Ooh, too strong.
That's good right there.
I guess it... Of course, here you go.
Yeah, alright. So we're good. So we're going to be making buffalo chicken dip. It's probably going to chooch you off because of the music and all that, music mafia, and we'll see. So we're making buffalo chicken dip. Got a pot of water on the burl, a couple of Pyrex dishes. There's another one here with the chips that's in it. And now we got to preheat the oven to 350.
Okay.
So we'll do that. Okay, so pretty much all you do is you take your Cremo cheese, cut it into little bits like that, spread it out in the pan. Spray it with Pam first. This is like a 13x9 kind. I got another one there, depending how much chicken it's going to end up making. I'm not sure exactly, so we're kind of doing one and then the other, if whatever. The water is boiling over here. That's plenty good. So you just take the whole chicken, and the idea here is basically to cook it. So that's pretty much what we're going to do. We'll just kind of open them up a bit, not that it matters, and just plop them in the pan, in the pot. Whatever it is, you get the idea. And this will go for half hour, not even 20 minutes, something like that. Oh, Dick, really? I'll take. The recipe for this is really, really easy. You want to get a cup of Frank's hot sauce. This happens to be the wing kind. Dump that in a bowl. Followed by a cup of that, this blue cheese dressing. You can use ranch if you're into that kind, but I don't know why people are. So basically the recipe is a cup of Frank's, a cup of blue cheese, 1 package of cream cheese, your standard package, 1 pound of chicken, and 1 of those plastic packages of cheese, grated cheese, cheddar that you find at the store kind. So now we're going to dump that in a bowl. We're making a double batch, so it's going to end up being 2 cups of everything, but we're doing them like one at a time kind. So we're going to dump that in there, get that mixed, and everything will get going here. Okay, we have the dressing made up of everything we showed you. Sharkie just has to try it now. So we just got some potato chips here, party size even. That's especially important.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Let's try this.
Oh my god.
Ah, Dick! Love that kind, yeah! We got the chicken in now. It's was boiled before. Just pulse it till it's kind of chopped up to where you like it.
And then turn it on, or no?
No, just keep pulsing. That's really about it. All right, now open it and check.
There we go.
Maybe 1 or 2 more pulses and we're good. Should be fine right there. Perfect. Okay, I just mashed up the cream cheese with a spoon kind, as you see right there. We have the chicken all processed, and of course the buffalo stuff, dip stuff that we made before. Chicken is right here. So what you're going to do is put this stuff kind of on there, and obviously we're making 2 batches, so you just double the recipe. So it's 2 cups of Frank's and 2 cups of blue cheese. So just kind of divide that evenly between the 2 pans there, and then we add the chicken. Turns out we had a little bit larger pan here, so we just combined everything into the one. And now what we're going to do is just stir everything around as Sharkie's doing here, as you see. Just mix that all in. Once that's done, then we're going to put some Cheddar cheese on top, and we'll go from there. There, just like that. Just put some Cheddar cheese on top. You can mush that in a little bit if you want. That should be fine right there. You can mush it down with the spoon here. Just kind of, you know, just mush it down a little bit if you want. And then it goes in the oven. We're going to go for, I'll start for 25 minutes and probably end up going for 35 or so at 350. Just left the oven on from before. So we're going to chooch that in the oven, and then it's chow time. That's what you end up with. After, that was about 25 minutes or so. It should be plenty hot. It was certainly bubbling, and it's plenty hot enough there. So that's all good. And that's it. Just scoop her into a bowl if you want, or you could eat it right out of here. I really don't care. That's up to you. You could garnish this with some green onion or scallion or whatever you want to call it, but we don't have that kind at our disposals. So we're just going to go at it with some tortilla chips, and we'll get the Sharkie seal of approval. Yo, moment of truth. Let's see if the Sharkie likes that kind. Look at the chum, people. Oh my God.
It's all in the facial expressions, guys.
That's right. No need to say any more.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's how you make buffalo chicken dip. Try it, you'll like it. Great for Thanksgiving, Xmas, Kwanzaa, you know, those kind of things and that. Even Ooster, because you're going to have other stuff later, so might as well have some chicken now. Cool beans. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And have some more buffalo chicken dip.
Yeah.
We love that kind.
And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Oh, hungry Wittens. Very hungry Wittens. Oh, there's another Wittens. You see? There are 10. That's terrible.